Pi Network just feature on BBC News. And what do they talk about? Well, watch this video to the end to get the full update. This gonna be interesting. After watching this video, I guessed all your negative thinking about Pi Network will be out of your mind. Well, before we go into the video, please support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe button so you will be updated whenever we post a new update on the Pi Network. Gentlemen, this is important information and a positive step toward all pioneers' achievement. Let me explain. I won't waste time on this video, so follow along with us until the very end. Pioneers, welcome back to the Crypto Report. We hope that this information will help you better understand Pi Network and motivate you to mine more Pi coins before the mainnet. Stay tuned for more details and updates on this innovative and exciting project. As we all know, Pi coin already has around 50 million users, which is enormous, all thanks to its recent listing on various platforms which include Huobi and xt.com, led to the addition of almost 10 million new members. The point I'm trying to make here is that if Pi coin is listed on various exchanges, it will be extremely beneficial. Some people who are watching this video may be thinking that Pi made the front page of BBC News. We all know that BBC is one of the largest news media in the world. And also we know that whatever BBC News tends to cover is not a joke. I'm saying this course, I know some of you will be wondering about it. The BBC News media traveled down to Africa, to one of the most populated country. This is a country that has over 10 million Pi Network pioneers, which is a very significant number. And on the point of the interview, a lot of people were also featured, which also caught the attention of the world. As a result, people are already using the Pi Network for transactions in the country, which is used to buy phones, gadget, shoes, bags, and so on. Yes, this is not a joke. The only place that we can also find where Pi Network was used for transaction is China. And now we have it here. The BBC reporter also traveled very far to see what people are using the Pi coin for. And what happened is that a lot of people are mining the coin and also using it for payment. This is a very good news. And also I know some of you will also say that how is this supposed to help us? Okay, let me explain. If you want to help build Pi Network and get it seen by millions of people, according to one of the pioneers who was questioned by the BBC, the estimated global consensus value, or GCB, of $314,125. 9 is a sizable number, but if it were to be approved by world leaders, it would greatly aid in the eradication of poverty. Before I discuss how pioneers would profit from Binance's $500 million loan to cryptocurrency mining companies, let's first establish what the money is for and what the mainnet being discussed by the Pi Network is. Mr. Ibrahim is yet another person who was questioned. To suggest that a blockchain system cannot fail is untrue. According to Ibrahim, it could function as intended if it adhered to its white paper. The first and most significant blockchain is Mainnet, also known as the primary organization, where genuine transactions occur in the public ledger and the local digital currency has real financial worth overall. Mainnet refers to the actual, publicly published, openly undeniable blockchain. Every exchange that occurs on the blockchain requires participants to pay an exchange fee. Payable in the local coin diggers will receive compensation for their laborious work in the form of the local currency. This is to encourage miners to authorize the exchanges and prevent network spamming. The functionality of carrying out actual exchanges within the organization is completed by the mainnet and is stored on the blockchain and referred to as the finished product that is available to everyone. When choosing a venture resource, it's important to take the digital currency into account because it shows that it at least has some sturdiness and has a few bulls that trust in it. Projects using digital currency should consider the concerns of their customers. Promising businesses frequently offer great innovations and inventive solutions that address current problems and give customers more opportunities to make money. This is both fundamental and sensible, practical and adaptable to ensure projects are successful. Pi Mainnet values market capitalization and popularity among both crypto experts and newcomers. You've downloaded the app and used my promotional code to receive 1 Pi coin for free. The app has now started mining. 3.6 Pi coins per day are yours for the taking with just one daily click. It needs to be reloaded once more every 24 hours in order to continue mining. Additionally, It is advised to avoid investing in unimportant projects with low capitalization in Pi mainnet value that are still relatively unknown because the chances of losing your money are very significant. Now that I've finished, let's talk about who will benefit from the $500 million loan that Binance plans to grant for Bitcoin mining infrastructure. Broken down by daily trade volume, the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange has disclosed plans to provide financial support to companies involved in Bitcoin extraction. As part of steps to boost the mining business, the platform's mining pool recently launched the Loan Project. The program will help infrastructure providers and Bitcoin mining. The exchange explained that as one of the top cryptocurrency mining pools in the world, Binance Pool has a responsibility to support the maintenance of a healthy digital asset ecosystem. Given the current state of the market, Binance Pool is launching a $500 million loan operation to support cryptocurrency. The Pi network operates using a simple consensus technique in which smartphone users can vouch for one another's dependability. Miners and providers of digital infrastructure with this project. The International Cryptocurrency Corporation helps to provide secure debt financing services to prestigious Bitcoin mining and digital asset infrastructure companies on a global scale, both public and private. Stellar Consensus Protocol is the name of this process, which Pi uses to secure its ledgers instead of more energy-intensive approaches like proof-of-work piling that Bitcoin uses. Although users can't currently exchange or withdraw their Pi coins, the Pi network can determine who is trustworthy to record transactions by comparing and contrasting the most trustworthy members across several social circles. This uses a great deal less energy and suggests that consumers can participate in cryptocurrency mining directly from a less capable device, such as a smartphone, rather than needing a graphics card or a powerful computer to do so. It was easy for novice users to get started and make a reasonable profit using their computers in the early 2010s when few people were mining cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But as Bitcoin became more popular, miners found they could make even more money if they owned more machines. As Bitcoin prices rose at that time, most users found it difficult to contribute to the network and receive rewards. At the same time, the global electrical grid started to feel the effects of Bitcoin's growing popularity each year. Bitcoin mining alone consumes 91 terawatt-hours annually. Pi network seeks to resolve both of these problems. The Pi network only allows one device to be registered per user, and each account is linked to a mobile phone number or Facebook account. Because the Pi network doesn't require computationally complex consensus procedures like Bitcoin mining does, it uses a lot less energy. We'll end here for the time being, Powell. And that is it for now. Please like and subscribe below. I appreciate you watching and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video in addition, please check out the email in the video description if you have any business offers.